How to organize your media in the Kdenlive project bin. First of all, open Kdenlive on your computer and load your project. On the left side of the screen, you will see the project bin panel where all your imported media files like videos, audio, and images are stored. To keep your project organized, start by creating folders within the project bin. Click the New Folder button at the top of the project bin or right-click inside the bin and select Add Folder. Name your folder based on the type of media such as video clips, audio files, or images. Next, drag and drop your media files into the respective folders. This makes it easier to find and manage files when working on your timeline. If you have many files, use the search bar at the top of the project bin to quickly locate specific clips by name. You can also sort your media by name, date, or duration by clicking the column headers in the project bin. Remember to regularly clean up your project bin by removing unused files. Right-click on Files and select Delete Clip to keep your workspace tidy. By organizing your media in the project bin, you will save time and work more efficiently on your video projects. And that's it. Now you know how to organize your media in the Kdenlive project bin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.